ocean with hues of pink and blue. Salty air wind in my hair, a day just for us two. Sand beneath my bare feet, waves crashing on the shore. World fades away, no yesterday, only the ocean's roar. Holding hands we walk the sand, footprints quickly erased. Sharing dreams beneath sunbeams, a love divinely graced. These days with you my heart takes flight. Sunk in skin, a love within, shining ever so bright. Building castles that crumble with the tide. Every moment feels so right, here by your side. Let's chase the waves, escape the days, forever lost in a beachy days. Seagulls cry, clouds drift by, a picture perfect scene. Sharing secrets, whispered words between you and me. Shells scattered, memories gathered, treasures we both hold dear. Sunlight fades, love pervades, wiping away every fear. Stars ignite, the moon so bright, reflecting in your eyes. You're my home, no need to roam beneath these endless skies. These days with you my heart takes flight. Sunk in skin, a love within, shining ever so bright. Building castles that crumble with the tide. Every moment feels so right, here by your side. Let's chase the waves, escape the days, forever lost in a beachy days. The world may try to pull us apart, but our love won't be denied. Here on this beach within our reach, forever we'll reside. These days with you my heart takes flight. Sunk in skin, a love within, shining ever so bright. Building castles that crumble with the tide. Every moment feels so right, here by your side. Let's chase the waves, escape the days, forever lost in a beachy days.
Zayn 90.
Let's chase the sun, feel its glow, as the ocean whispers soft below. Can you hear the waves crash near? Every moment life feels clear. In the warmth of golden rays, we'll find our path through endless days. With every breath, the world's alive. In this freedom we truly thrive. We'll race the dawn, we'll chase the light, together strong through day and night. In every wave and whispered breeze, we'll find our truth, we'll find our peace. So take my hand, let's journey far, beneath the moon, beneath the stars. In every step we rise above, in every heartbeat there is love. We run along the endless shore, our spirits high, hearts wanting more. The sky's a canvas, colors burst, every second quenches our thirst. With every laugh we rise and soar, embracing dreams we've never seen before. Through winds of change we sail ahead, following the paths that hope has led. We'll race the dawn, we'll chase the light, together strong through day and night. In every wave and whispered breeze, we'll find our truth, we'll find